Good afternoon to everyone. My name is Angelica Leon. It is blog working through Willa. I will teach you a little about the activities that can be done in the club. In Lex, here the department, the club has different goals. School friends want to climb in as low as a log with you can see iguanas and ducks. Another beautiful place to visit in the regional archaeological museum. That is located. The menu is located on the second floor of the department library Jose Eustacio Rivera Cultural Block. It has the area distributed in space for the exhibition of the piece, conference forums, and audiovisual media, and the office on the museum Minganet. In its home are exhibits litige, the collection of Santana and San Agustin, roasting of the culture, the inhabit the department, and a replica of a tomb. We are working for you to enjoy this and other systems that our department offers. Bye bye.